Good afternoon, I'm Coach Robinson, and this is the 8th grade mathematical curriculum, and today's lesson is on exponents, right? So now, we know exponent can be written in the form of base, which will always be the number. So I made base B. I'm going to put this in a number form. So let's say if the base was 2, right? And then the actual exponent, just say 3, okay? So a lot of people tend to get these confused. Some people think that this is 2 times 3, which is not the answer. Some people think that this is 2 over 3, which is not the answer. How you actually go about solving this exponent equation is by, you want to take the base and multiply it by the number of the exponent. And that's how you complete the problem. So how you would express this would be 2 times 2 times 2. So you take the base and you times it by the number of the exponent. So you should have 3 2's, okay? So we actually want to solve this. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So this means 2 to the 3rd power is 8, right? So now, let's do another one. Let's do 3 to the 5th power, okay? Now, we know that this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3, 7 times 3 is 1, carry the 2, 81, and 81 times 3, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 to the 5th power is 243, okay? So now, let's imagine if we had 2 to the 1st power. Well, 2 to the 1st power would just be like saying 2 times 1, right? So that'd be 2, okay? Let's imagine 2 to the 0 power. That will automatically equal 1. This is an exponent rule. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. And I'm going to show you this. Any base to the -1 power is a fraction, okay? So I'll put 2 to the -1 power, and that would actually be 1/2, okay? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. If I ask you to put this in exponential form, right, you should be able to tell me, you should be able to give me the exponent, okay? So you get the base by the number being used, which is 5, right? And the exponent is the number of 5s you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 5 to the 5th power. And if I need you to solve that, we know 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125. 125 is 125 times 5. 5 carry the 2. 12, 1, 625. And then 625 times 5. 5 carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 plus 1. 3,125. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 to the 5th power, 3,125. So this concludes the mathematical curriculum for 8th grade. The next lesson for 8th grade, y'all gonna do some expressions with exponents. We're just gonna go in, do some scientific notation, some order operations as well. So y'all stay tuned if you need any help, any assistance. I have worksheets for you. If you need them, reach out to the social media and the email. Thank you.